How to change name in Instagram account. First is by opening your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, click on Edit Profile right here and wait for it to load. In order for you to change the name, simply click on Name right here and type in the name that you want. If you have done that, then simply click on Done found on the upper left corner of the screen. I mean on the upper right corner of the screen. And then, once you have done that, you have now changed your name on Instagram. So again, go to your profile right here, click on Edit Profile, click on Name, and simply click on Done, and then there you go. That's how you can change name and Instagram account.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.